guide to simple and easy cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make cashew nut brittle. So let's get started.
I've got here some non-stick cooking spray, 1 cup of white sugar, 1¼ cups of roasted cashew nuts, half cup of corn syrup. I'm using corn syrup substitute, but you can buy corn syrup from any supermarket in the baking aisle. If you can't get corn syrup in your country, I'll put a link below on how to make corn syrup substitute. Half cup of butter, which I have chopped, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of vanilla and 1/4 cup of water. You will also need a baking tray. You can use any large baking tray and a piece of baking paper. Lightly spread the baking tray with some non-stick cooking spray. Line it with the baking paper. Spray it again with the cooking spray and put it aside. Place a pot on medium heat. Add sugar, water and corn syrup. Give it a mix and bring it to a boil. My sugar has dissolved and the syrup has started to boil. Add butter and keep stirring until the butter has melted, scraping the sides as well to remove any sugar crystals that might be stuck. Continue cooking for 10 minutes without stirring or until the syrup changes to a golden brown color. Add cashew nuts and give it a mix. Add vanilla and mix it well. Turn the heat off. Remove the pot away from the heat. Add baking soda and mix it well. The mixture will become frothy. Scrape the mixture onto the prepared baking tray. Roughly spread the nuts evenly and let it cool down for 30 minutes to 1 hour. Break the brittle into any shape or size you like using a mallet or a pestle. And let me dish it out and show you. My cashew nut brittle is ready and you can serve it to family and friends. Leftover cashew nut brittle can be kept in a sealed container at room temperature for weeks. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.